Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to do another question of Olympiad Polynomial Math. This question is related to the chapter polynomial. So you can see the question is a² minus 19a minus 25 upon a minus 7 is equal to a minus 12 plus r upon a minus 7, and we need to find the value of this r. So you can see that here is a is also a variable and r we need to find the value of r is also a variable. So how to find if the two variables are present in the question? So what will we do? So first of all we will remove the one variable so that we can find the value of r. Okay, so just solve this expression by the LCM method, by the simplification method. There is no trick for this question, just apply the simplification method. Okay, so you can take the LCM 1 and a minus 7. LCM is a minus 7. Okay, 1 divided by a minus 7, it goes a minus 7 times. So a minus 12 and a minus 7, it will be multiplied, and r is a minus 7 is cancel out, so r is as it is. So you can see this r is as it is. Now see the denominator of the left hand side and right hand side, they both are same, so it will be cancel out. So in numerator only a² minus 19a minus 25 is equal to a minus 12 and a minus 7. If you multiply it, so a into a is the a², a into 7 is minus 7a, 12 into a is the minus 12a, 12 into 7 is minus plus, 12 into 7 is 84 plus r. Okay, now you can see r, we need to find the value of r. This portion goes to left hand side, so sign will be changed. So first of all we will simplify first, then it will be go that side. So minus, and this minus 19 will positive sign, and this is minus 84, and this r is as it is in the right hand side because we need to find the value of r. Okay, now this a² and a² cancel out, this 19 and plus 19 cancel. Now you can see we will remove the a. So there are two unknown variables, so we will remove this a, so we have only the one variable r. Now it will be easy to find the value of r. 25 minus 84 equal to r. So 5 4 9 and 8 2 10 minus 109. 5 plus 4 is the 9 and 8 to 10 minus 109 is the answer of this question. So a part is the correct answer. So hope you have understood this question, and if you want to do another question of polynomial math, you can go through the playlist of polynomial Olympiad Math, and if you want to do the exponent question, so go through the playlist